In this video, I'm going to explain to you exactly how to transfer money from Netspend to a bank account. So if you currently want to be able to transfer your money from a Netspend account or from your Netspend account to another person, well, as you can see, you can transfer money to family members or friends who also have Netspend cards. Log into the online account center and select send money to learn more. As you can see, what you're going to do basically is to just go either into your mobile app or log into your online account center on your computer, as you can see, and then you will be able to actually transfer money to a family member or a friend, but they need to also have Netspend cards, as you can see. So if you currently want to be able to actually transfer it to somebody else that doesn't have Netspend, well then unfortunately it doesn't work. As of right now, Netspend only allows you to actually transfer to another person that also uses Netspend basically. So if that is something that you want to be able to do, to transfer it to another person that also uses Netspend, well, that is possible. But outside of Netspend, it's not possible, just so you know, as of right now at least.